Hey everybody, the following video is sideways, but I guess we should be when we're playing that kind of music. This is volume control plus the right fuzz equals, hey ma, look, I'm Jeff Beck, ... Well, maybe not. Hey everybody, Rob Schwimmer here with a tip du jour. I think it's number 32. Anyway, just came across this today and it's kind of cool. Okay, so this is for those of you with slims that have the volume control. Now, if you find the right fuzz, volume plus fuzz, if it's the right fuzz, kind of turns it into the way overdrive on a guitar is. You see sometimes the guitar players with their pinkies, they're turning the volume and that last little bit sends it into fuzzy land. So like here, let's just So, anyway, so you can do it as doing it, straight. There's two things that's happening. The one is just you're playing. Okay. Now the other thing is you can also use it to shape the phrases, like, like this phrase that Aretha Franklin sang. She's doing a blues in F. I think it was an F. It was as good to me as a... And she does this thing, and it's kind of like... Let me see if I could do it here. So you can kind of... Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing good. Coming out being more sociable again, and everybody's feeling healthy and strong. All right. See you later. Bye.